We received Keka at Jivdaya with an old kite string injury. We often see entangled kite strings on the trees, bushes, overhead wires, and these are deadly for birds and animals. We receive a lot of cases where birds severely injured their limbs with these old accumulated sharp strings. Keka had a deep laceration in its left wing. After examination, our doctors performed a surgery for Keka. It took almost 65 days for Keka to recover completely. Finally, she was released in the wild, back to the nature. Friends, let's take a small step and remove all the leftover threads that can cause a valuable life. Come, let's save them together.